YouTube.
Hands to this bitch if you gang bang. I don't give a fuck if we don't bang the same thing.
What up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Megan Matrol with another vlog. Tashi! What up, y'all? Hey, man, say, man. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up. It's 11:30 a.m. Oh my god, did I just fart? So yun, hindi ko na natapos yung vlog kahapon kasi sumama talaga yung pakiramdam ko dahil sa ginawa kong one chip challenge and hanggang gabi kahapon, ang sakit ng tiyan ko, ang init ng tiyan ko. At then, yeah, feeling ko kakasakit ako kahapon. And nakita nyo rin sa vlog kahapon na nilaman ko yung mga bed covers and mga pillowcase ko. Something like that. And hindi ko pa rin sila nalalagay. Y'all see that? Dito ako natulog sa sofa. Yung unan ko, walang pillowcase. Y'all see that? Walang pillowcase yung unan ko. What the fuck? So yeah, kakagising ko lang. Fuck. But yeah, I might right now, yeah. But yeah, yung one chip na yan, oh my god. The world's hottest chip, that's fuck up, y'all. Mind y'all, lang unti lang ng kinain ko, parang ganyan lang, and then ganun ka wide, and then ganun ka haba. Ganun lang kinain ko, oh my god. Hindi ko pa kinain ng buo, pero yeah, grabe yung ano sa akin. Grabe yung epekto. Oh yeah, fuck with that one chip, y'all. If I make content about that shit. Yeah, fuck with that one chip. And kagabi rin pala, tinry ko tanggalin yung because, oh my god, what am I doing with my life? Bakit ako nagsuot ng white shirt? Now my white shirt is fucked. So, tinry ko tanggalin yung mancha ng white shirt galing sa chocolate milk na ininom ko kahapon. And, hindi siya matanggal-tanggal. Oh my god. So, yeah, thinking yung gagawin ko ngayon. Tatry natin tanggalin yung chocolate stain na yun sa white shirt natin na ginamit kahapon para sa one chip challenge. Oh, wait. Kasi kung di nyo alam, may something shit sa leg ko, nagda-dry siya. Pag hindi nilalagyan ng lotion. So, kinuha ko tong lotion ng lola ko. Wait. Let me get some.
It's loud. I'm so sorry.
Nagdadari kasi yung leg ko and then... Oh! What the fuck? Yo, I'm watching a streamer, y'all. I'm watching a streamer. Hey, yo! What the hell? So, yun, lalagyan ko lang ng lotion yung leg ko.
Am I getting like...
Hindi nakasama yung likod ng leg, pero sinasama ko lang. Para package din. But, yeah. Nagdadala yung leg ko, kaya... Pagtapos ko maligo, nilalagyan ko siya ng lotion. Pero kagabi nakalimutan ko. Kasi wala talaga ako sa mood kahapon. Because of that one chip. Oh my god, sobrang dami kong gray hairs, yo. I have so many gray hairs. Gusto ko pabahin yung buhok ko kasi ang dami kong gray hairs, so I don't know, y'all. I don't know. But yeah, let's see, y'all. But yeah, we eyed for our neck. Tashi. Ayun, so, nalabas na tayo saglit ngayon para bumili ng papaputi dito sa t-shirt natin. Nakapapad siya pero hindi pa natatanggal yung stain niya. Oh my god. Because of my dumb bass. Y'all see that in the color? Y'all see that shit? My fault, twin, my fault. Okay, tingnan natin yung warning sign. Kasi may nakalagay dito kung anong bleach yung pwedeng gamitin. Wait, let me cook, let me cook. No, na dito. Sorry for the loud sounds. Nagpapatugtog si Ate Ana. Here. Only non-chlorine bleach when needed. Line dry medium. Okay. Non-chlorine bleach, yun yung bibili natin, right? And ito pa rin yung mga shit ko kahapon. And then, ito naman yung iba. Oh my god, may ganda rin pala siya. Ito rin yung ginamit ko kahapon na tank top. Meron ba siyang stain? Let me see. Parang wala naman siyang stain ng chocolate. Very good. This is good. But yung white shirt ko may stain, so ikapaputin natin yan, right? Where them bleach at? Where them non-chlorine bleach at? Is this the bleach? Oh yeah, it's a bleach. Is this a non-chlorine? So, nag-search ako. Ito na, non-chlorine bleach. And then sabi, what is the difference between non-chlorine and chlorine? Uses hydrogen peroxide as the active ingredient. This bleach got hydrogen peroxide on that bleach. So yeah, I think we good with this. So, para paputayin yung white shirt natin, right? We good with this. We Gucci with this. And it's only 28 pesos. This shit light as fuck. Ay, masayaman, kakawi ko lang. So, yun, may instruction dito. Ito na lang yung natin. Apply Zonrox color set directly on stains. Rub gentle, wait for 5 minutes, and wash as usual. I think 1 liter to eh. Sa picture. So, 2 tablespoon lang tayo, right? 2 tablespoon. 1. 2. And then 1 liter na pitcher. Stain removal, 3 tablespoons. Detergent. Oh, I need detergent. Oh my god, dapat pala hindi ko tinapan yung detergent kanina. Oh, what the fuck, ang bobo ko. Dapat pala hindi ko tinapan yung detergent kanina. What the hell? So, for 10 minutes. Dapat pala hindi ko tinapan yung ano ko kanina. My dumb ass, dapat pala hindi ko tinapan. So good, this is my first time. Pwede ko sana paggawa kay Ate Ana to kaso para matuto rin ako. Kaya ako na gumawa. And, di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo na aalis na pala si Ate Ana. And ngayong araw yung alis niya, ihatid ko siya sa pier mamaya. Mamayang 3 p.m. alis namin. So yeah, it's Ate Ana's last day today. Hindi na siya babalik. Uwi na siya sa probinsya nila. So sad. Ilang years din sa amin sa Ate Ana. Since senior yata ako, nandito na si Ate Ana. And ngayon, meron na akong anak. Nandito pa rin si Ate Ana. Today, it's her last day in our house. Ihatid natin siya mamaya sa pier. Kasama yung asawa niya. Oh my god, there's still stains in that bitch. Do I need to hand wash them? Wait, let me hand wash them, right? You know what, dadagdagan ko pa ng sound ng store. I don't care anymore kapag nanila. Tatapon ko na nito. I'm a crush out already. I don't care pag nanila. Dahil kaganda mo yung sama. It is what it is. I'm crushing out, I'm crushing out. It is what it is. Marinate ulit siya ng 10 minutes. Bye, Diana. Thank you. Bye. Ingat. Diana? Ano? Okay na? Bye. Thank you. Ingat pa. Thank you, Diana. Bye. Thank you. Ingat ka. Ingat ka. Bye. Bye, Ate Ana. It's her last day. Say goodbye to Ate Ana. Hindi ko alam kung pwede ako pumasok doon. Kaya bababa na sila. So yeah, hey man, so uwi na kayo. Wait, let me waste my shit, right? What the fuck is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. TOS? I think this ain't TOS. No? This ain't TOS. First time ko gagawin to. First time ko gagawin to. Ay, kaya binibidyo ko eh. Kasi first time ko gagawin eh. Hello, Beka! Nawak ako? No way! Oh, what the fuck? Nalaglag pa. Oh my god, I'm playing too much. I'm playing too much. I'm playing too much. I need to get structured. Naisin lang natin to kasi isasampay ko na yung mga gamit ko. That's why. Nilinisin lang natin to. Nakita nyo kanina, hinatid ko sa Manila si Ate Ana sa Pier 4 Manila. And then, she fucked up, y'all. Kasi, nadala niya yung susi sa bahay ng lola ko. So, buti na lang nakita niya yan mga 7:20 and ang alis nila 8 p.m. past 8 p.m. So, buti na lang naagapan and right now, pinabok na niya ng Lalamove something. So, yeah, hihintay ko yung Lalamove. But, ito pa shit natin, yo. How are you? Let me smell you, alright? Type shit. Okay. Let me say hello. Type shit. Let me smell some of y'all. Type shit. Alright. Every day's a new shit. We Gucci ata please put some Lululemon. good, y'all be good. It's structured. So yeah, man. Ilalagay ko lang yung mga cover cam ko and then yung mga pillowcase and then hihintayin natin yung lalamove and then yeah, Type-C. I think that's him. Is that him? Is that him? Is that the rider? Rider! Oh, rider! Okay, padala po. Ito po. 350 lang po sir. Ito po. Okay na po sir? Hindi, okay na po. Thank you pa. Ingat pa. Likod dyan. Likod. Pitas ka tabi. Kung silang sa kabilang ba.
Where your road at? Bitch, you lagging out shit? You think they camping out shit? Think they just rapping out shit? Where your road at?